Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook meat sauce pasta in Heartopia. First, you need to buy the recipe from NPC Massimo, and then after you have it, just go to your house and then tap on this stove, and then just choose your meat sauce pasta, this one, and then just prepare the ingredients like this. There are meat and cheese that you can buy both from the NPC Massimo, and then wheat and tomato that you can grow this from the gardening. And once all the materials are complete, just tap on start cooking like this, and then just wait. And okay, like this, your meat sauce pasta already cooked. And if this is your first time cooking it, you will see a special animations. In here, mine doesn't appear because I already cooked it before. And okay, that's how you can make meat sauce pasta in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.